an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj for class 4, subject EVS 2 Science, topic solid, liquid and gas. Hello children, in the chapter solid, liquid and gas, we have already completed different states of matter. And today we will study changing the state of matter. So let us begin our class. Changing states of matter. In solid, the attraction between the molecules is strong. They are packed tightly together. See here, we can see here. And the particles are in a fixed position, and this makes it difficult for a solid to change its shape. When a solid is heated, the particles vibrate more and more until they break away from each other. We can see this here. The particles vibrating. They then form a liquid. This process of changing of solid into a liquid on heating is known as melting. In liquid, the molecules can move around quite freely, but cannot break away from each other completely. If we heat a liquid, the molecules start to move around very quickly. Eventually, they move so fast that they can escape from the surface of the liquid and become a gas. This process is known as evaporation. As the liquid becomes hotter, the molecules escape even more quickly and the liquid begins to bubble. We can see here these bubbles. See here, all these are bubbles. This is called boiling. On cooling, vapor changes back to liquid. This change is called condensation. On cooling further, the liquid changes back to solid. This change is called freezing. Now let us see all the processes in changing states of matter. The process of a solid changing into a liquid on heating is known as melting. The process of changing liquid into a gas on heating is known as evaporation. The process of changing gas into a liquid on cooling is known as condensation. The process of changing liquid into a solid on cooling is known as freezing. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.